Hey everyone, Alex here, back with another one. So here we have the new Armour Detail Supply Ghost tire sealant. Okay, so this is a tire sealant. It's not a water-based dressing as you would traditionally use, like their Tire Plus, for example. This is more of a sealant that's going to last a very long time. So I'm very curious in this situation because we're just before winter, and I don't know if this particular individual switches over to winter tires or not, but it's a cool example either way to see if this will last through the late fall, early winter season. So the directions on here are pretty darn simple. You take the comfort grip applicator. Now this is a relatively small one from Armour Detail Supply. Now this is a 245/60 tire, so the sidewall is not enormous, but it's not small either. So this one's going to be just fine. So the instructions are to say, just spray it right into here. Give it a good shake. Now the tire is clean, and the wheel itself is also clean. So you do want to make sure that it's dry, clean, all that fun stuff. You can use a tire cleaner from Armour Detail Supply or your favorite cleaner. Just make sure everything is taken off, okay? All the old dressings, all the old gunk. If you are using the Armour Detail Supply cleaner, you want to make sure you scrub it until the branding goes away. A lot of other cleaners can do that, but that's the directions that they recommend for their product line. So we're going to come in close to the application of Ghost and see our final thoughts at the end. All right, so here we have the tire. It looks kind of faded and clean, but if you really rub your fingers, there's nothing on my gloves, okay? So we have the applicator here, prime the sprayer. So it is a very kind of milky consistency there. And again, just like you're washing the wheel and tire, I like to go in a clockwise position. So it does have like a bit of a blue tracer in it. So what I like to do is I like to take my index finger and kind of just ram it right in there along the lip. And that allows me to kind of get in nice and tight into there. And another key thing is that you do want to let this completely dry before you drive. And certainly want to wait a few hours before getting it wet. So we're going to work that in a little bit. And as you can see, there's an immediate darkening effect to that. So we're going to go ahead and hit up the other 3 wheels and tires and see how they look afterwards. All right, so there you have it. Tires are done. We got all 4 done. This one is done. Probably took about 10 minutes or so to do all 4. Took my time, not a big deal. If you get any on the wheel face itself, just wipe her down. No big deal. So I used comfort grip applicator on the smooth wall tire. It worked pretty well. Great for this kind of tire. If you have knobbier ones, you can use a brush. No, Brad did mention sometimes the brush can be a little bit streaky, so do be cognizant of that. But overall, I mean, shoot, these tires are looking good. They were super dry looking. That's the best way to put it. So great tire sealant. First time I've really used this. Again, like I said, opposed to a tire-based or water-based dressing, and definitely yielding great results. So we're gonna take a look out in the sun and see how she looks.
That's a quick video demo on Armour Detail Supply Ghost Tire Sealant. Use code BuckyVW at Armour Detail Supply, TOC Supplies, and Cardizilla.ca.